Today I'm going to show you how to add brake fluid to your BMW E60. Should be quite similar to the E90. E90 3 series, E60 5 series. Okay, so we're gonna need a Torx screw. Is gonna be T20. You can buy this at Walmart. A set of 3 of these are the Torx. You have X, 2 hex and 1 Torque for $7 or $8. We're in 2026. This is August. Okay, so this is up to date. Now you're gonna need a socket to be able to turn this counterclockwise to unlock that plastic mechanism. That's 13 millimeter. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, let me zoom out. We're going to remove that Torx. Okay, let me go ahead and find the right torque and then remove that. Okay, here you go. That's our T. Let's double check. So T20 is the one at the bottom. Actually it's T25. Okay, that's a T25. Okay, come on, my mistake. So let's remove that. Have a magnet tray or something to get that, or put it in a pocket. It's just 1 screw. Okay, I'm gonna put it sideways, and then now we're gonna remove this. This is the cabin air filter. In order to remove the cabin air filter, you have some type of clips here. So pull back on it on both sides. Okay, and you have some hinges over there. Just raise at the bottom. Okay, and remove it. Okay, so once that is removed, the plastic cap, you have something that go through there, and you need to unlock this. That's why you need the 13. Okay, so you're gonna use that and turn it counterclockwise. Okay, until you feel that it becomes loose, and do the same over here and test it to see if it's a little loose. Okay, let's double check there's no other ones there. Okay, so now we're gonna have to remove this. Pull back and raise this, and then pull back. Okay, so this is all the way here. And so you were supposed to remove that, and then now you're gonna remove that piece by pulling this in. Okay, and here's your brake reservoir. So today I'm doing a rear brake job on the A60. That's the reason why I'm actually going to open this, because I'm going to depress the pistons and I don't want to cause any extra problem. So there you go. This is your reservoir, and thanks for watching.